Delegates from 6 chapters that made up the Cameroon Association of English-Speaking Journalists, Camasej, converged in Douala on Saturday, November 30, 2019 for the Elective General Assembly of the association. Before the business of the day, 2 guest speakers, Barrister Nico Halle and Franklin Kevin, preached peace and humanitarian reporting respectively. To set the ball rolling for the elections, the outgone national president Simon Lionga took stock of his reign as president of the association. He acknowledged the successes and failure of Camasej within his reign.
As a leader, I carried out actions, but most of the time I watched the others go in or go on with their activities. And there is one thing I noticed, that Camasej has lost what makes success possible, and that is respect for each other, but most of all, respect for elders. It's a general problem with the English-speaking media in Cameroon. Younger ones insult their elders up front, at times using derogatory terms, good only for the gutters. To make matters worse, these insults at times find their way into some columns of our much-cherished newspapers. For others, it is a source of pride to sit in a beer parlor and hit your chest. I told him off in his face, talking about a professional elder. Social media made it worse with the rise of keyboard warriors, most of whom cannot even write a professional article. Medics make errors that even cause loss of lives, but hardly will you hear their colleagues going on them. Even motorbike riders, you see them out there, just attack one, and the road and the whole, all of them will be on your neck.
As stipulated by the Constitution, 3 persons were nominated by the General Assembly to head the Electoral Board: Gideon Taka, Rosalind Oba, and Comfort Musa.
President, we have found a solution to this problem. Please sit down here. We are not here. We have left. If a member has a case, go to the electoral board and report the case. They will take you down and adjudicate on it. Otherwise, if you continue to shout like this, we might not.
After all petitions and clarifications were made, 2 candidates, Moki Charles and Vibanjud, were nominated for the post of president. With the elections being a list system, each of the candidates were given the opportunity to campaign and present their lists. In total, 219 delegates effectively voted, with 126 votes casted in favor of Vibanjud as against 92 for Moki Charles, with a none vote recorded. The new bureau was immediately installed into office, and the president, Vibanjud, in his acceptance speech, said that elections were over and that as one, Camasej should forge ahead.
There is only one choice, and I would like you to make that choice today, and that choice is Cameroon Association of English-Speaking Journalists. I promise, on behalf of the team, that we are going to work with everyone, because we are all talented in our various ways. We are counting on all of us so that we can revamp this association and let it take its rightful place in this nation and beyond. At any time, feel free to approach us with an idea.
On his part, Moki Charles congratulated him and promised to support the new bureau for a better Camasej for the next 4 years.
As one person, to give this association a new orientation. We came together as one. There were moments the campaign went nasty, but to me, yesterday is gone, and tomorrow is what we are asking God to give us, to live better.
We have an objective to support this team and make Camasej great again. Mr. President, you can count on my support.